One of the forest birds that can only be found in the Borneo Forest is Kasumba kinabalu. Kasumba kinabalu, or also known as Whitehead Trogon. Kasumba kinabalu is named because this type of bird can only be found in the Kinabalu mountainous area. The bird lives in the forests of the highlands, especially in the Sabah State Mountains. Its main food is an easy-to-find insect in a thick forest area that has not been contaminated. Like other birds, the Kinabalu owl also built a nest in a hole in the rotated stump. There is a clear difference between the male and the female bird. A significant difference is that the male bird has a red feather on most of its body and the female bird has brown feathers on most of it.
Is ready, so they chew on it.